Here is a wonderful 2015 BMW X5. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The X5's advanced engineering, performance, and technology breathe confidence into every drive. This rugged cargo hauler is the safe, connected, driver-centered performance vehicle you've been searching for. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, 8-speed AT, 4-wheel ABS. Drive big, drive bold, drive the sports activity vehicle that was designed to meet any challenge on the road or off it. Drive the X5.